What is an essay? Why do you write for? What is the importance of writing essay? How will you write it? Today we will learn about that. Hi, good morning. I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn how to write an essay. Let's see the definition from Oxford Dictionary. Essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject or topic. The simple thing we have to keep in mind, a short piece of writing on a particular topic or subjects. Now, let's see why we are learning this or writing this. There are some benefits are given there. Promotes critical thinking and communication skills. Enhance the creativity and visual memory. Builds vocabulary and flow of writing, increases confidence and personality, helps to analyze writing skills and expresses ourselves. Now you can see if we write the essay, there will be numerous of benefits we can get. Now next, preparation for writing an essay. There is some parts how we can take the preparation. So few things we have to keep in mind. First, topic. We have to focus the topic, which topic I can feel easy to write, so please choose this one. And we know title is the summary of the whole thing or whole writing, so we have to keep in focus the title and what would be the information we have to write and try to find out the related keywords, and with the keywords we will make a whole writing organized way. Now, introduction. We know every essay has three parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, there will be the definition of the title. Yes, the main idea of the topic or title. Next, body. In the body, so let's see what there are. Supporting ideas, logical explanation and details, argument if it has, and please keep in mind single paragraph is single idea. So, and in the main idea, I mean the definition of the title in the introduction, we have to make it in elaborate in the body. So in the body, naturally we do three paragraphs. So in the supporting ideas, it will be 1, 2, 3 average, and as you wish you can make it elaborate. But please and keep it the supporting ideas in a single idea, single paragraph. Conclusion: reviewing the main ideas or points and providing one thesis. So what is the conclusion? This is a summary of the whole thing is written before. And at last, your idea or opinion, it's supposed to be positive, you can express it. And after completing everything, introduction, body, and conclusion, please edit. If you edit, your marks will be much more, maybe few percent will be higher. uh, Please make sure the flow of sentences and paragraphs, between the sentences there will be relation, linking. We should not jump from one in thought to another. It will be a flow of writing. And please check the tense, grammar, time, spelling, punctuation, repetitive words, and if you do it with the poor kinds of writing, please try to avoid the repetition. You can use a paraphrase, another word. Overall, the appropriate and coherent thought. So all the information will look at the title or topic. So averagely, if I give you some advice, so please concentrate on the topic or title, what you can remember, related words. Please make it some examples of the keywords, and over the keywords you can make a paragraph, and it will be the excellent part of the body. Now see the next part, types of essays. Okay, there's only 4 types of essays given here. There's a many more, but only few here. narrative, descriptive, persuasive, and expository. So narrative means sharing something from your real experience. It's happened before. Sharing a real life experience. So there is some examples given. An ideal person to follow, a story from your childhood, your first day at school, you see, and you are imagining the information or some incidents from your childhood and you are sharing to somebody else. And one more thing, narrative. It means you're narrating some incident, something. It can be related to your life or somebody. And descriptive. Descriptive means the words will express the whole scene or like a picture. Yep. When your reader will read your writing, they can feel the same thing in their mind. So by our words, we have to express everything in details as possible as we can. Suppose my home is the best place to live. The first tears of joy, etc. Okay, fine. So my home is the best place to live. Descript. So why you like your home much? You can express some benefits why the furniture, your position, location, your table, your habituation, you feel free, and this thing. And persuasive, it means convince somebody, to convince the readers to agree with the point of view with facts and logics. So please, you will convince your readers. It doesn't mean with only languages, words. No, you have to show some facts and logics. So for your these facts or specific or true information, the readers will believe you or will be agree with you. So some examples here, we should teach etiquette in schools. Cell phones should never be used while driving. So now see, you're perceiving. Suppose I'm a driver, I'm also using in while driving the phone, and how we can say you can conceive, yeah, with the facts and logic. You can say how many accidents happen in last 1 year, last 10 years, some area, and why this is. Now next is expository, informative piece with facts, example, and statistics. And persuasive and expository coming the almost same thing. No, it's totally depend on the facts and logic. But this one you have to expository means you have to express with information. Okay, how can we develop our imagination? How big is the universe? The positive and negative effects of the internet. So it is a very quite simple and understand general topic. The positive and negative effect of the internet. So you will share this, the keywords here positive. You will say something positive information with some facts why this is very informative, the who are the getting the benefits, and negative, and you have to also show some examples, how many numbers of students or people are getting bad in their exam or doing something else, with the statistics or examples and with also facts. So overall you have to make your writing informative with logic or examples. I hope in short you have learned about some benefits, how we can take the preparation before writing, types of essays, and next video we will learn about a specific essay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Mr.